Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix Nordea app not opening step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it opens properly. Next, swipe out from the bottom of your screen, look for Nordea, swipe it away, closing it completely. Wait for a few hours and reopen it. Sometimes the app fails to launch due to temporary glitches. Next, restart your phone to reset the system and clear any background system issues that may be preventing the app from opening. Then, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Nordea app, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store or App Store. Outdated versions can cause the app to stop opening. If the problem continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for Nordea and reinstall the app. This removes any corrupted files and gives you a fresh start. If the app still does not open, the issue may be due to temporary server problems, so wait a few minutes and try again. That's how you fix the Nordea app not opening. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful and simple and helpful guides.